Well, hello everybody and welcome back. I hope you guys are enjoying your Father's Day / Juneteenth. Today, I've created some beautiful DIYs that you can make for yourselves. As always, they're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'm going to be using these skewers, and they're from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to lay them out and paint them with this gold paint. Once I'm done painting them and they've had time to dry, I'm going to lay down 2 skewers, and I'll also be using some diamond bling base fillers from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using 6 gems on each end. Now I'm just going to hot glue all of the gems into place. Right here you just see me laying out the project in an up-down pattern. Now that I'm happy with the position, I'm going to go ahead and hot glue everything together. For reinforcements, I'm going to be using some popsicle sticks that I picked up from Dollar Tree. After I'm done doing this, I'm going to set this part of the project aside and start working on the back of the project. Right here you see me getting some measurements before I begin to cut. Next, I'm going to use some white craft paint, and I'm going to paint the size of my container. Next, I'm going to be using this mirror paper that I picked up from Amazon, and I'm just going to use it to line the inside of my box. Once I have the mirror paper in place, I'm going to hot glue the 2 pieces together. So guys, I do want to point out here that I wish I had used smaller popsicle sticks when I did this project. I feel like it would have made it a lot neater, as well as I would have been able to fill in a lot more space. So if you try to do this yourselves, do use some smaller popsicle sticks. I just feel like the end product will come out a lot nicer with the shorter sticks, and I think you'll see why a little bit later. And right here, guys, is the reason why I said I wish I had used the shorter sticks, because now I have to go back in and add more sticks to my project so that I can decorate the front of it. So yeah, I'll be using this iridescent bling ribbon that I picked up from Amazon. And so here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? I got a request to show these pedestals with some bling on them. So here's what they look like before the bling. And here's what it looks like after. What do you guys think? For my last DIY, I'm going to be taking this glass Dollar Tree vase and I'm just going to paint the inside with some clear Elmer's glue. I'm going to be using this specialty gold glitter from Michaels. Next, I'll be using this gold bling ribbon and it is from Amazon. Now this ribbon does not have the self-adhesive backing, so I am going to have to use my hot glue gun. And so here's what they look like. What do you guys think? So guys, that's it. That's all that I have today. 2 really simple and easy DIYs that you can recreate today. I really hope that you've enjoyed these DIYs because I really enjoy making them for you. If you have, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as giving this video a huge thumbs up and hitting that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.